Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making gluten-free kubbeh, which are made out of rice flour. So let's start cooking. There are 3 parts of ingredients for the rice kubbeh. For the shell, you will need 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of ice cold water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 450 grams of extra lean beef mince. For the meat filling, you will need 550 grams of extra lean beef mince, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. These are the ingredients for the stew. You will need 1 cup of baby carrots, 2 beetroot peeled and diced, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of citric acid, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 bunch of red Swiss chard, and 2 liters or 8 cups of boiling water. And this is how your rice kubbeh should look like. Eat them on a nice cold winter's day and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!